Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today I am doing another Inktober prompt. The prompt is horn. And before that, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing a small shop update. I will add a few products to my shop when this video goes up, and you will be able to purchase them. So if this is something you're interested in, I will leave a link to my shop in the description. So the first product I am adding are new pins. I have this cute otter pin, which is a button pin. This illustration was made as a wallpaper for my patrons, and I decided to make a cute pin out of it because I really liked the way the otter looked. Another product is this acrylic pin with the houseplant. Now I don't have pins in my shop. These are the first ones, and yeah, they're really tiny and cute. This acrylic one is similar to my keychain, and it has a butterfly clasp in the back, and it comes with a backing card that was made custom block printed by me. So these two pins are new in the shop, and I also will be adding some stickers. So for the first time I made holographic stickers, and I think they look amazing. I have this house illustration which I feel is very appropriate for the month of October, and as you can see, it's printed on holographic vinyl. It's very long lasting, it's very thick, it's perfect for laptops or water bottles or whatever, and I think it looks so beautiful with the holographic finish to it. I don't think the camera does it justice but yeah. So this is one of the new stickers that will be added to my shop. I do have other die cut stickers and sticker sheets, and the last product that I will be adding to my shop is this Autumn Feels sticker sheet. If you follow me on Instagram or you are a patron, you are very familiar with this illustration because it is the monthly desktop wallpaper for October. And yeah, I really wanted to make a sticker sheet with autumn elements, with tea, and just a cozy feeling overall. This sticker sheet is printed on high quality vinyl paper. It's really beautiful. I really love the way the colors look, and yeah, this will be also available in my shop. And besides these 4 products, I did add an original pet portrait service to my shop. So if you want to order pet portraits, you will now be able to, through my website, to place an order, and I will make a custom watercolor painting or gouache painting of your pet. I hope you like these products, and don't hesitate to check them out. I appreciate any order that comes in, and thank you so much for everybody who has ordered until now. So now to the painting part. I am still doing Peachtober. The prompt, as I said, is horn. I think it's day 12, I'm not sure. So I decided to do a Highland cow because I have never painted one, and I'm using the same Ecoline liquid watercolors for it. And yeah, I edited this video a bit differently, so it's not a speed painting, it's all in real time and a bit chopped up, but you can still see the progress I have made. I'm not sure if you guys like this type of editing, but I think it's interesting to see the real-time painting process. This is the small update I wanted to give you guys. If you want, check out my shop. As I said, I love creating products, and I usually create products for patrons. So these products will go out to my highest tier on Patreon. So if you're a patron, please do not order these. You will get them in your monthly art mail. If you want to support me, I will leave a link to my Patreon as well and to my shop, and that is enough self-plugging because it's kind of getting annoying. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this speed painting. Let me know how you are coping with Inktober. I know that by the middle of October I get really tired of painting and I lose motivation. So I'm trying to get past that moment and find my motivation again. So enjoy the rest of the painting. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!